you will join a vibrant community. I also want to take a moment to recognize a member of the Time 100 Next who is not with us here tonight. On Monday, Dr. Marang Balak, a human rights activist from Pakistan, was prevented from boarding her flight to New York City by authorities in Karachi. Dr. Balak reports that after departing from the airport, she and two other activists were removed from their car and threatened and harassed by police officers. Like many of you here tonight, Dr. Balak is a voice for change. And like many of you, she pushes for that change despite great personal risk. In December, Dr. Balak led a peaceful march to Islamabad alongside hundreds of other activists and other women demanding justice for disappeared family members. We at Time look forward to a day soon when